안녕하세요. Hey, what's up everyone? If you're new, my name is Isaac. So today's videos, I'm gonna to share how to do the easy K-pop haircut and the hairstyle. Sounds good, right? Alright, just check this out.
恭喜你入鏡，say 個 hi，say 個 hi 先，say 個 hi 先。
Hey guys, this tutorial just so simple. I believe you can do it too, trust me. So if you love these videos, so please give me a big thumbs up. Also subscribe my YouTube channel. Just hit on the bell and you will never miss my new videos. Just comment down below if you have any question. And I'm pretty sure you need more tutorial here. Just click here. Let me help you. Let me help you. Let me help you. Do 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 do. Let me help you.